Now, the student protest has received support from members of the legal fraternity as Supreme Court lawyers held a demonstration in Delhi under the slogan "Save Democracy, Save Constitution." The lawyers staged the protest in solidarity with the students agitating at Jantar Mantar. Sambhav Sharma is joining us on this now. Sambhav, just the scale of the protest is growing, and Supreme Court lawyers themselves have joined and extended support to the students' protest. All right, viewers, I'll get to my colleague in a while, but for now, look at the visuals that are coming in. These are lawyers of the Supreme Court, and they have now been the latest supporters to the students' protests at Jantar Mantar led by the Cockroach Janata Party. And lawyers themselves have raised the "Save Democracy, Save Constitution" slogan. The lawyers have staged this protest in solidarity with the students agitating at Jantar Mantar. So now, from the celebrities to the legal fraternity to NewsX, all kinds of groups and people from all walks of life have joined the protest. That are now no more limited to the national capital. We just showed you visuals of protests being staged across India, from Tamil Nadu to Kerala, Punjab, Bihar, and of course in West Bengal. Southern states are agitating eastern states. The national capital is hot with the agitators. We have been reporting clashes as well. But for now, these are the visuals of the Supreme Court lawyers holding a demonstration there. Sambhav has joined us now. Sambhav, the Supreme Court, Apex Court lawyers are the latest supporters of the students' protests. What is it that they have said in their manifesto? Sambhav, could you unmute yourself before you answer, please?
Am I audible there?
Yes, please go on.
Yes, absolutely. So I've spoken with few of the lawyers here who staged their protest against the lathi charge and alleged brutalities of the Delhi police against the protesters, and they have gathered in the Supreme Court lawns. I'm reporting from there, and what they have said, their basic demand was that India is not a police state. India is a democratic country. Around 100 lawyers gathered in the Supreme Court lawns. Most of them were Supreme Court lawyers. Few of them were senior advocates, which include senior advocates like Mahalakshmi Pavni and other senior advocates. Justice Muralidhar was also seen in the Supreme Court lawns, and they recited the preamble of Indian Constitution is what is important, and they staged a protest against the police brutalities, and what they've said, especially senior advocate Mahalakshmi Pavni, when I spoke to her about the protest in the Supreme Court lawns, she said that India is a democratic country, democracy and rule of law must prevail, and such kind of police, she said that such kind of police atrocities must not happen, and we stage a protest against the police brutalities is what Mahalakshmi Pavni has said. Many of the senior advocates were also present in the launch. And remember, yesterday Supreme Court Bar Association condemned the attack on the protesters, saying that peaceful protest is the fundamental right. And also Supreme Court Bar Association's president Vikas Singh has written a letter to Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Home Minister Amit Shah. And also Supreme Court Advocate on Record Association has also condemned the alleged atrocities against the protesters. These two organizations are saying that staging protest in a democratic setup is a fundamental right, provided it is peaceful in nature. So these are the developments.
All right.
And I want to just show you the exact lawn where the protest happened. I'm just turning the camera. This was the exact place where the protest happened, and around 100 lawyers gathered here, and stage their protest.
Right. Sambhav, thank you very much for joining us for now with the details. And viewers, slipping into a quick break, but we'll be right back. Stay tuned.